You move again, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull. How to pluck your hair? Shameless girl. You don't know how to pluck it. You're plucking man pimples. Now for plucking, what do? You brush all the hair backwards, okay? For plucking also, you can also use mousse or water to pluck, okay? We'll pluck one side without putting mousse, one side we'll put in mousse. First thing you're going to do is you use the rattle comb and do like a zigzag cutting, not a straight cutting. Alright, like a zigzag cutting. Don't allow it to be too straight, or better still, just cut a straight line, because zigzag is hard for you to understand. Cut a straight line like this. Brush this one front. This is a tweezer. Looks like this. How you pluck. In one line, you pull the hair out of the roots. Okay, you catch the hair and you pull out of the roots. Catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull. You clear that place like this. Give a little bit space. Move, catch and pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull. You are giving space. The next line, catch and pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, catch, and pull. You give space. The next line, catch, pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, and then you give space, and then cut another one again in front. All right, and use one hand. You used to hold man thing and hold the hair from back very tight. All right, now we go again with the tweezer. Catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull. Sometimes you can even do like 5 stroking in one line, so you can get what you want. Okay, you give space, catch and pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, and then give space. You move, catch, pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, and then you give space. You move, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch, pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull, and then you give space. You see what I'm doing? I prefer stroking to plucking because this is very, very exhausting. Catch, pull, and then you give space. Cut into 2. We move this one backwards. Hold this one tight, very tight, and then you catch and pull, catch and pull, catch and pull. The same thing we did before. We are doing the same thing again, and you are giving little space, catching and pulling, giving little space, catching and pulling, giving little space. When you're not a pro, it's not going to be hard for you. You will just see that you are just pulling it from the roots. Okay? Now once you're done with this side, this is time to now take all the entire hair. The last one, you take it backwards. Take it backwards. Now what do we do with the tweezer again? Now we want to be very gentle because we are now in the front. Now we're just going to be pulling the hair bit by bit. Okay, if you want it very deep, do what to pluck it very deep. So this is what plucking automatically does. Okay, so from the front to this side till this side, you pluck until the hair becomes very, very light in front, and then you brush the excess out. Now this is we plucking. Watch this side. This is the plucking without putting any water or leave-in conditioner here, and then brush everything backwards like this. Now for this extreme end, there is not really much work to do. It's just to tweeze a bit. Now the same thing we did, the pluck and pull method. Pluck and pull on each line. Pluck, pull, pinch, pull, on each line. You keep moving. You give little space. Pinch, pull, pinch, pull, pinch, pull. King. This is the stroking side, and this is the plucking side. You can use the plucking method to achieve this. Okay, but I prefer the stroking than the plucking. It is very, very easier, and it gives you very, very clean lines. Okay, that is the difference. You can tell from the stroking to the plucking line. The plucking line doesn't give you that much. Okay, but you can see. But this is how the stroking line gives you. The stroking line looks just like this. Can you see? That is what the stroking gives, and the plucking just like this.